Rolls-Royce. The name alone screams elegance, luxury, and elite status. For decades, it was the gold standard for premium cars around the world. But what if we told you that in the late 1960s, an American company, Cadillac, built a car so bold, so advanced, and so luxurious, it actually went head-to-head with Rolls? This is the story of the Cadillac Eldorado, the front-wheel drive V8 monster that shocked the luxury world. Let's dive into one of the most daring cars Cadillac ever built. Cadillac's bold move, 1967. The year was 1967. Cadillac was already seen as America's top luxury brand, but they wanted to do more. They wanted to prove they could innovate, not just imitate. So they launched a brand new Eldorado. It was sleek, futuristic, and totally different from anything else on American roads. Why? Because it was front-wheel drive, something almost unheard of in American luxury cars. And under the hood, a massive 429 cubic inch V8 that's 7.0 liters of smooth, effortless power. The result? A stylish, high-tech land yacht that could glide like a Rolls and roast the tires like a muscle car. FWD 58? Why? Now let's talk about that weird combination. Front-wheel drive and a giant V8 engine. In most big cars of the time, the engine drove the rear wheels. But Cadillac engineers took inspiration from the Oldsmobile Toronado and mounted the V8 sideways. This gave the Eldorado better traction, more interior space, and a lower floor. Perfect for that floaty, luxurious ride Cadillac was known for. It was smooth in the city, confident on the highway, and powerful enough to move over 4,800 pounds of chrome and steel like it was nothing. Designed to impress, the Eldorado didn't just perform well, it looked incredible. Long, low, and wide, it had a razor-sharp design with hidden headlights, sculpted sides, and a fastback roofline. It looked more like a concept car than something you could actually buy. Inside, it was pure class. Plush seats, thick carpeting, and tech features like power everything and even automatic climate control. People who saw the new Eldorado parked next to a Rolls-Royce, they didn't laugh, they were impressed. It was the first American car in a long time that could really compete with the big names from Europe. Performance meets prestige. So how did it drive? Surprisingly well. The front-wheel drive setup gave it great stability in bad weather, and the V8 made 340 horsepower, enough to cruise effortlessly at high speeds. It wasn't a corner carver, but that wasn't the point. It was meant to feel like you were floating above the road, and it did exactly that. Meanwhile, Rolls-Royce cars at the time were still using older tech like drum brakes and carburetors. The Eldorado, it had front disc brakes, advanced suspension, and more modern engineering under the skin. It was Cadillac saying, "Hey, Europe, we're still in the game." The legacy of the Eldorado. The '67 Eldorado was a hit. It sold well, turned heads, and showed the world that American luxury wasn't just big, it could be smart and stylish too. Over the years, the Eldorado would go through changes, but the front-wheel drive setup stayed all the way into the 2000s. It helped redefine what a luxury car could be. Not just soft and shiny, but also innovative and bold. Today, the 1967 to 1970 Eldorados are considered classics. They're rare, beautiful, and a reminder of a time when Cadillac wasn't afraid to take risks. In the battle of luxury giants, the Cadillac Eldorado proved that America could build a car just as elegant and advanced as anything from Europe. It was big, it was powerful, and it was unlike anything else on the road. So the next time someone says Cadillac never competed with Rolls-Royce, just tell them about the FWD V8 monster that did exactly that. Thanks for watching. If you like this story, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car history, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite luxury land yacht of all time? Until next time, stay classy and keep those engines purring.